Good morning. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Have you been practicing your English?
Yes, I practice speaking every day.
That's wonderful. Are you improving now?
I feel more confident, but slowly.
Practice makes progress. Keep it up.
Thank you. How's your English going?
I'm working on my accent now.
Well, accent practice is very important.
Yes, clear pronunciation helps communication better.
Do you use any special techniques?
I listen to native speakers carefully.
That's smart. I should try that.
You can watch English TV shows.
Do you have any recommendations, please?
Start with simple shows for beginners.
Do they help with accent improvement?
Yes, listening helps to train ears.
I struggle with certain English sounds.
Which sounds do you find difficult?
The th sound is very challenging.
Try placing your tongue between teeth.
I will practice that. Any others?
Also, the R sound is tricky.
How do I improve that sound?
Focus on rolling your tongue slightly.
Thanks. Any apps that might help?
Yes, there are pronunciation apps available.
Do you recommend any specific app?
I use Speak Clearly app regularly.
Does it work well for you?
Yes, it provides daily practice tips.
I'll download it today. Thank you.
You're welcome. Keep practicing every day.
How long should I practice daily?
Just 15 minutes will be enough.
That's easy. I can do that.
Remember to practice speaking slowly too.
Why is speaking slowly so important?
It improves clarity and pronunciation accuracy.
That makes sense. I'll try it.
Do you practice speaking with anyone?
I speak with friends and family.
That's good. It builds real confidence.
They help correct my mistakes often.
Correcting mistakes is very helpful indeed.
What do you do for practice?
I record myself and listen back.
That's a great idea. I'll try.
Yes, it helps to hear mistakes.
I never noticed some errors before.
Listening to yourself improves self-awareness.
That's what I need to improve.
Keep practicing and you'll improve quickly.
Thank you for all your advice.
My pleasure. You're doing very well.
I'll practice more to improve faster.
Consistency is the key to success.
I agree. Small steps every day.
Exactly. Small efforts lead to progress.
I'll practice both sounds and sentences.
Yes, don't forget full sentences too.
Speaking naturally is my main goal.
You're on the right track.
It feels good to learn more.
You'll see improvements with hard work.
I hope I can speak fluently.
Fluency comes with time and practice.
How long did it take you?
It took me about 1 year.
That's encouraging. I'll be patient then.
Yes, patience and practice are important.
I will continue learning every day.
I believe you will succeed soon.
Thank you, I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Keep up the effort.
I will, with your good tips.
I'm glad to help anytime.
Let's practice more together next time.
Yes, that would be very fun.
I look forward to it already.
Me too. Enjoy your practice today.
Thank you. You too, see you.
See you soon. Take care, Tom.
Goodbye, Anna. Take care as well. Hi, Anna. How was your weekend?
It was great, thank you. Yours?
I practiced my English all weekend.
Wow, that's amazing. How's it going?
I think I'm improving a bit.
That's wonderful. Did you practice pronunciation?
Yes, I worked on sound.
Good job. Is it getting easier?
Slowly, but I'm making progress now.
Keep going. Progress is always worth it.
I'm also listening to native speakers.
That's very helpful for accent improvement.
Do you have any new tips?
Try mimicking their speech more closely.
How exactly should I mimic them?
Copy their tone, rhythm, and speed.
Should I record myself doing that?
Yes, recording helps you hear improvement.
I'll record more often. Thanks.
Good plan. Do you feel motivated?
Yes, especially with all your encouragement.
I'm happy to help anytime, Tom.
I feel more confident when speaking.
That's the key to great improvement.
Confidence really changes how I speak.
Exactly. Confidence makes speaking more natural.
Do you feel confident speaking English?
Yes, now I do with practice.
Did you have any struggles before?
Yes, I struggled with fluency earlier.
How did you overcome your struggles?
I practiced with others and recorded myself.
Speaking with others helped you the most?
Yes, conversations helped build real fluency.
I should find more speaking partners.
You could join online speaking groups.
Online groups? Can you recommend any?
Sure. English Chat Club is great.
Is it free or do I pay?
It's free. Just sign up quickly.
I'll try it out this week.
Great. You'll meet many language learners.
I'm excited to practice with others.
It's a fantastic way to improve.
I also want to learn slang.
Slang is tricky but fun too.
How do I learn slang better?
Listen to casual conversations or movies.
Do movies help with natural speech?
Yes, especially for learning everyday language.
What movies would you recommend first?
Start with simple comedies or dramas.
Are comedies good for practicing slang?
Yes, they often use informal language.
I'll watch one tonight and practice.
Good idea. It will be fun.
Learning English feels fun with new methods.
It's all about keeping it interesting.
I feel more motivated to continue now.
Motivation makes learning so much easier.
I think my accent has improved.
That's great. Others will notice too.
What other areas should I improve?
Maybe focus on your sentence flow.
How do I make sentences flow?
Connect ideas smoothly using linking words.
Can you give me some examples?
Words like and, but, or because.
I see. Should I practice these daily?
Yes, it makes conversations more natural.
I'll add that to my practice.
You're doing a fantastic job, Tom.
Thanks, Anna. You're really helpful today.
I'm always happy to help you.
Do you think I'll improve quickly?
Yes, with dedication and practice, definitely.
I hope to sound natural soon.
You're already sounding better every day.
That's encouraging. I'll keep practicing hard.
Remember, little progress every day matters.
I've learned a lot this week.
Learning consistently is how you grow.
What else should I focus on?
Maybe work on your listening skills.
Listening? What should I listen to?
Try English podcasts or radio shows.
Any specific podcast for beginners like me?
Learn English Now is a good one.
How often should I listen daily?
Try for 15 minutes each day.
I can manage 15 minutes easily.
Great. You'll hear new words too.
That will help my vocabulary a lot.
Yes, you'll learn words in context.
Context makes understanding easier, right?
Yes, it helps words make sense.
I'll start listening tomorrow morning then.
Excellent. Let me know how it goes.
I'll message you after the first session.
I'm excited to hear your progress.
I feel more confident with your guidance.
You've made a lot of progress already.
Thank you for believing in me.
You'll be fluent with steady practice.
That's my ultimate goal, speaking fluently.
And you're closer to it every day.
I'll keep working hard towards fluency.
Keep it up and don't give up.
I won't. I'm determined to succeed.
That's the spirit. You'll do amazing.
I can't wait to speak confidently.
It's going to happen soon, Tom.
Thanks, Anna. I'll keep you updated.
Please do. I'm here to help.
See you next time, Anna. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Tom. Take care and practice.